Hello guys and welcome back to Mossy Maths. First of all, I would quickly like to say a thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, to those of you who have liked my videos and commented asking for Core 2 videos. I have been busy recently, although I will now try to be getting through as many Core 2 topics as I can before your June exams. I'll be looking at the most difficult topics first, including logarithms. However, this is the second lesson on the laws of indices, and this is also applicable to Core 2 students. I remember when I was studying my Core 2 exam, you learn so many topics that you often forget actually to simplify your answer down as much as you can, and you can easily lose a mark for that. And these are things you don't want to be losing marks on when there's much more difficult topics within Core 2. Also for GCSE students, this is relevant as this is being introduced into the syllabus. So, first of all, a to the power of 1 divided by m is equal to the nth root of a. Now, 3 examples here to show you what this means. X to the power of a fifth is the first question. Well, we can simplify this by writing this as the nth root of a. A is x in this case. And the fraction is a fifth, so therefore this is the fifth root of x. This is going to be the square root of 4, because it's a squared root as we have a 2 on the denominator of the fraction, and 4 is our a value here. The square root of 4 is just 2. It's also minus 2, but I will ignore the negative for now. The third one is 125 to the power of a third. If you like, pause the video and have a go yourself. Hopefully you get the gist of what we're doing here. This is going to be the cubed root, because there's a 3 there, of 125. Now that's going to be 5, because 5 cubed is 125. So that's the first rule of indices. Now to move on to the second rule. A to the power of m divided by n is equal to the nth root of a to the power of m, which is equal to the nth root of a, all to the power of m. Now this can be manipulated in many ways. For me, I would first consider square rooting in this case. We have 9 to the power of 3 divided by 2. Now, we can do the root of the number on the bottom of the fraction and then to the power of the number on the numerator of the fraction, and that's often easier than doing it the other way around. So for example, here we can do the square root of 9, all cubed. Okay? The square root of 9 is 3. We cube 3 and we get 27. So again, it might take you a few times to have a look at this to see what's going on. All we do is we do the root of our number from the denominator of the fraction, and then we do this to the power of the number on the numerator of the fraction. For this example, we have 16 to the power of 3/4. Again, I would consider doing the root first. Here it's going to be the fourth root of 16. All of that cubed. The fourth root of 16 is 2. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. We cube 2 and we get 8. Now for the third law, a to the power of negative m is equal to 1 divided by a to the positive m. Here's the first example. X to the minus 2 will become 1 divided by x squared. We simply swap the sign of the power and we do 1 divided by this. So can you see what's going on with this example? Here we have 2 to the power of minus 3. So all this means is we do 1 divided by 2 to the positive 3. That's 1 over 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. So that's 1 divided by 8. And finally, x plus 1 all in brackets to the power of negative 1. This is just 1 divided by x plus 1. We could then put this in brackets and do it to the power of positive 1, but anything to the power of positive 1 is just itself, so we'll leave this in this form. So that's the third law of indices. Finally, we've left the most basic one until the end. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Now you need to learn this. This is a crucial fact of indices. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. At GCSE or A level, this is fundamental. So, first of all, x to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 0, do I really need to go through this, is 1. And you guessed it, x plus 1 to the power of 0 is also 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So make sure you learn this fact. And they're the 4 rules of indices that go alongside the 3 main laws. And for A-level students, these 3 in particular will be potentially new to you. This one shouldn't be. That covers the whole topic on the laws of indices. So thanks a lot everyone for watching the video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions at all, please do leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you as quick as I can. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.